Hande Ercel is a beautiful Turkish actress who has played in many dramas and in many advertising, not only based for Turkish, also world brand. She lately worked for a perfume brand for the world famous brand. Hande Ercel's beauty talked a lot in many social media, and playing in one drama make her uh, be more famous in the world. Even some Turkish media members talk about her that even if she played bad, uh, her playing in the drama makes the drama sold in many foreign countries, because her popularity in foreign countries brings this popularity to the drama too. Hande itself has a relationship with Hakan Sabancı for 10 months, and the relationship goes to the wedding.